So, good morning, friends. Now around 3 o'clock 21 EST time. We begin with analysis for NASDAQ, S&P 500, Russell, the US dollar, and crude oil for this week. The chart is looking a little bit messy, but I'm going now to explain, and so have a little bit patience. We begin with fundamental analysis first, and then go further into the technical analysis. So, important is, first of all, we begin with the CRUDE report of the last Friday. The CRUDE report is very important for futures traders, and that gives a clear picture to us how the big players are investing their money or what kind of action they are taking currently. So you see here the CRUDE index. We have three types. We have the big players, the commercials. We have the large speculators like hedge funds, banks, and so on. And we have the small traders like you and me, the retail traders, whatever. So this number doesn't mean anything. Neither the large speculators. The most important is the commercial numbers. And we see here in NASDAQ chart, for example, this is the CRUDE index. The red area is the sell area, and the green area is the buy area. Anyway, this indicator is a fundamental indicator. It's not recommended for timing indicator. For timing indicator, you need your favorite trading system for entries and also exits. The very high meaning of this indicator is that we are fundamentally on the right side of the market, as the trends tend to get delayed before they start. But this indicator is showing very well where or how the big players are strategically investing their money and to which direction the trend will be changed in the future. So that's really important information. We see here that, for example, the big players have been buying the market because they always have very well information, much more better information that we never hear, or if we hear or see those information, they will happen 1 month, 2 months, even 1 year later, before the big players have already placed their money and changed the direction of the market, right? We see, okay, the market, the NASDAQ was rising, so this signal might be congruent. Then especially here, they have been selling the market, and also the news, fundamental news, which came out, it is positively congruent, and so on. The most important is that at the end of May of this year, the big players started to sell their positions, and the net long positions in NASDAQ decreased. We wait here then, right? 99% the fundamentals, 1% technical analysis. We wait then for NASDAQ to leave this channel. We will have here possibly a consolidation here. The longer that consolidation is taking, the more dangerous it's becoming again for this bullish run, because the bulls need to escape as quickly as they can out of this zone, to come above 14,000, to come above 14,500 levels, to go about 14,800 even. And then here we will have then a correction from 14,800 back to 14,500. Then we have here established, we can say some way